Hello guys, here on attend complaint error code E7. So we go and check the CU side. Normally the E7 means one main thing is fan motor and the another one is the inverter PCB board. So we go and check the CU fan motor. The fan motor wire is burned. So here see the wire should be burned. So now we going to replace the fan motor. So we just off the main power supply and then open the fan impeller and one by one we just replace the fan motor. So we take out the impeller and open the motor. So screw. Normally the E7 means sometimes the fan motor and or inverter PCB board. If the fan motor is after we replace the fan motor it not run main, so the inverter PCB board also problem, so we need to replace the inverter PCB board. So first we replace the fan motor and test on the unit. Here is the new motor, so we just replace the new motor and then test on the unit. So we just put back the wire and then put back the impeller. So we just everything is standby. After that we on back the unit. So now my guy just put back the impeller and then checking the anything the tighten, everything screw tighten, everything check properly. So after that we put the gas meter and the ampere was standby. So now everything the gas meter will just back and the ampere meter also just standby, and then we on back the isolator and waiting for a few minutes. So now the unit is running. So the main problem is now here the fan motor is problem. So with just the running ampere also 4.16 and 110, the pressure is 4.10. So that was okay.